Hello, my dear parents. Accidentally, unfortunately, I don't know, maybe fortunately, the holy day is in houses, lockdown के वजह से all are staying at home and a very highly affected set of the people is the students because March 24th lockdown started and we are also in the completely lockdown state. YPS is better. We have completed examinations, reports and everything. We have completed completely 2019-20 academic year and we are about to start 2020 and 21 academic year. So this event, this thing is happened, coronavirus. So we know it is very difficult to manage the students at home. So around 19th, 20th only, we have planned to have an online activity for the students. So as the situation becomes very worst, we have extended this online system, online teaching system to all the classes. And successfully, we have taken on right from nursery to class 12. Maybe all of you are having a feeling that it is only half an hour or 25 minutes. But right from the morning 7:30 to evening 7:30, so completely, the entire system of YPS is on. Around 40 groups, WhatsApp groups are working. More than 1400 students are sending the messages, homeworks, right? So though it is 25 or 30 minute session in the first phase of online teaching, all the students got enough work to do at home and submit it. And we kept the entire student community online, dynamic. At the same time, besides the students and the teaching team is also on. Every year we used to have a holiday in the month of May, but this time we were not having a holiday. Actually, we are doing more than what actually the school is there, right? So since morning I have uploaded a video, so many messages were coming, right? I was patiently answering. Same way, all my teaching team are patiently attending all the messages. Handwriting is going on, tables are going on, maths is going on, Vedic mathematics went on, and grammar, spoken English, cursive writing, so many activities. Whatever we were not doing in the school time, we are doing it. We did it in the first phase of online teaching. We had some problems that we are already set it. Timetable already group पे भेजा है. Already timetable we kept in the group, right? So आप timetable को देख सकते हैं. And maximum we wanted to give more number of periods, but day is having only 24 hours time, so it's very difficult to cater the entire time. And science is giving that don't have more than 1 hour. So 1 hour sessions are there for all the classes. And June 8th onwards, we are starting the classes. June 8th onwards. And timetable is put up in the groups. We stopped students to send the messages so that you will see all these messages. So you are all, please see the messages, follow our guidelines, right? And morning I have sent one video of how to use homework assignment portal. A separate ID is required, user ID and password is required, so that you will be getting from the office. Okay, we will not post. Already I told you in the first phase of learning only, we will not be posting those things directly in the groups. It's not, it is confidential, my dear children, confidential hai, right? So you will be getting from the office. And when to ask, that again one more message will come, my dear children, one more message will come. So when to ask, when office is ready to give you the user IDs and passwords, we will put a message to you, my dear children. We will put a message to you. So definitely you are all going to get user IDs. Don't take tensions. पहले वो website को देखो, how the website is working, right? And at the same time, whatever is done in the first phase of online classes, please revise the videos. They are all available in YouTube. Please revise them and wait for the next message. Next message. If you have any problems, say 1 and 2 have the same time, 3 and 4 have the same time, like that there are some issues are there. Don't worry. Already we planned for those issues, right? Might be there are some areas, maybe 1 or 2 cases they are having only one mobile. So you may be having a problem, right? But it's okay. After half an hour you can see the video, right? So this is what is. Please don't take tension. This is a first experience for everybody, for us and for you, for parents, for the whole world. It is the first experience, right? Every school is having a different approach to online teaching. This is the best approach, what we feel, because we have got a success in the first phase of learning, and we are going to have more success in the second phase of learning. So 4 subjects you are all working on Ratnasagar website, Ratnasagar, lms.ratnasagar.com. The rest of the subjects like Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit, you will be using the WhatsApp groups. We made all the WhatsApp groups, my dear children. Class-wise WhatsApp groups made, and still very few students are left. Whoever is missing in their particular WhatsApp group, please call or send a message to the other groups, otherwise me or office, so that your name is added in the WhatsApp group. So first see that your name should be there in the WhatsApp group, so that our communication will reach to you. Now we are giving so many communications. ये सभी communications आपके पास आना है तो आप definitely WhatsApp group में रहना ही है. So almost very few classes are completely done, and some WhatsApp groups are 5-6 students are remaining. So आपका friends, please check your friends are there in your groups or not. Class wise only. We didn't change anything, only class 5 will be having a problem because a new Sanskrit Hindi division will be there. 6th to 10th already books we are giving. Who did not take the books 6th class, 6th to 10th, please go to Ashok Book Depot, and books are available at Ashok Book Depot. Please have the books. And some students are calling me that first phase of learning में notes use करना है. Yes, notes use करेंगे. And which subject you are having? Last time, like last year only, right? Last year आप कैसा use किया है वैसा ही use करना है. इंग्लिश के लिए कौन सा नोटबुक यूज़ करना है, मराठी के लिए जैसा उनका लिस्ट है. बट आई एम गोइंग टू पुट ए लिस्ट ऑल्सो इन द WhatsApp group, so that you can see that and you can start using the notebook. So आप notebooks यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट जैसा लास्ट ईयर यूज़ किया है वैसा ही यूज़ करना है, right? So that is one more thing. So these are the queries I am getting from day to day. So don't take tensions, everything will be fine. So, and wait for the next message. Thank you, and wait for the message so that you will be getting login ID and everything. And one more request, we will make it in the next message, all right? So school office is on, right? Admissions are going on. Nursery admissions are going on. 11th class admissions are going on. 12th class admissions are going on. 11th now classes are going on. So the entire school is on, my dear children. Okay? Though it is summer, say it's very hot room, this one, very hot, but still we are working for you. We need your support, and you need our support, right? So wait for the next message. Thank you.